Let's talk about how to fight from this close, right here. You're trying to get this person off you and you suddenly realize you need your gun. From right in here, what we're calling close quarters battle, notice I'm not right in front of the person. We never want to be in that what's called a number one position. Get offline a little bit, step off to the side. And then we're fighting from here, move off to the side. And now if you need to draw your gun and put rounds on target, you're doing it from very close distance, so you're shooting from retention. But what are you doing with this hand right here? Never try to push this person away. It's a very short trip to this hand right here. So what you want to do with your off hand, your other strong hand, is drive it up behind your head. Grab the back of your own head. That also deflects the punches that might be coming in if the person is trying to punch you or hit you with an object, and protects your head a little bit and allows you to fire from retention without shooting yourself. That's very important. You don't want to cause any harm to yourself that will take you out of the fight. Now we're using the UTM gun from right inside here, and this way when we're shooting, I would much prefer that you're shooting down into the pelvic girdle region instead of trying to get up onto the chest and into the A zone up here. What we're doing from CQB, from really close quarters battle, is just trying to put some bullets on this person right here, and then moving our step back so that we can come up to full extension if we need to. Now, 3 rounds right into the pelvic girdle, that's going to break those bones and put this guy on the ground. And even if you miss the bone structure, there's still a whole lot of stuff going on back here, down here I should say, femoral artery, muscle systems right in the quadriceps on the legs and things like that, that are going to give you that opportunity to escape. Remember, that's what self-defense is. Cause enough dysfunction so that you can escape safely. So if you got to fight from inside, make sure you don't shoot yourself, and make sure you're putting bullets down into the bad guy so you can back up. I'm Kevin Michalowski, editor of Concealed Carry Magazine. If you like these videos, share them with all your friends and keep this conversation going. How can you better train yourself to shoot fast and close? And please remember to subscribe to this page. We'll give you more great information every week. And click that notifications bell up in the corner. We'll notify you every time we do a new video.